This was a bad one. It actually went through the body line. It was actually really deep. The center of it was pretty scuffed. Ooh, but check out this repair. Hi everybody, I'm Charlie with the Recon shop, and behind me we just got done repairing a 2022 Chevy Blazer. This is that really cool blue color, and in the liftgate there was a really nasty dent going through the body line here in the back of the liftgate. In order for us to repair this damage, we did have to remove the interior trim, and we put it back and you can't tell it was ever apart. And this damage came out fantastic using Paintless Dent Repair. Although we specialize in hail damage, we love showing the capabilities of Paintless Dent Repair using these minor dents like this. If your vehicle has damage and you'd like the Recon shop to take care of it, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're conveniently located at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.